Ramu was a poor, hard-working farmer who lived in a quiet, small village. He owned only one tiny, rocky plot of farmland to support himself. He worked from first pink dawn until the sun dipped below the hills every day. Even so, he could barely put enough food on his table. Then one year, a brutal, severe drought swept across the entire region. No rain fell for months, and cracked earth baked under the unforgiving, scorching sun. All of Ramu's carefully tended crops withered, turned brown, and died completely. When harvest came, he had nothing left to show for a whole year of work. But Ramu refused to sit still and accept defeat. He packed a small cloth bag with his few belongings, said goodbye to his empty cottage, and set off for the neighboring village to find any work he could. He knew only hard work could pull him out of ruin. For 6 long months, Ramu did grueling daily labor for local families. He carried heavy bricks up steep ladders, cut firewood in the cold hills, and hauled clean water for miles every day. He skimped on every meal, skipping bites to save every single penny he earned. When he finally returned home, he had enough savings to buy new seeds and fix his broken old irrigation channel. Slowly, his endless effort paid off. His crops grew better each year. Within a few years, Ramu became a successful, self-reliant farmer.